I hate watching bad drivers. It gives me anxiety. Ah! Like that. Are you nuts?
Where are you going?
Nuts? A left turn, but cross through 3 lanes.
It's bad, it's bad. Why do you make last minute decisions? It's not good for anybody.
Nope, this is how people die.
This is how people die.
Who's the bad driver?
Is it the Chuck?
We're about to see.
Oh my
What?
god! How did you even get up there?
How is that actually like possible?
Because if you're going at a high speed at the wall, you should crash into it, not go up.
Probably
Right?
flipped and landed like that.
Oh my god, that's insane. Did that
Hope everyone's okay.
Yeah, and look at that random man just standing up there. Who are you?
That's probably the person.
Yeah. Hey
They
guys,
probably
I'm up
climbed
here.
out of their car. The car actually didn't look all smashed
Yeah,
up.
it didn't.
I bet they survived this. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Top 10 Central. I'm one of your hosts, Joss Bedard.
And I'm your other host, Eamon Hassan. If you want to see more videos like this, click our playlist right up here.
And stick around to the end because we got bloopers. And guess what? I'm a bad driver too. Are you?
I am not. I passed on the first test.
No, I'm not a bad driver. I will say I'm the annoying person who does follow speed limits though.
Oh my god, like
I'm
really
too
slow.
safe.
Oh
Not
no.
slow, but like I'm not a risky driver. You know, I don't
Okay.
pass. Like I can't do all that. I'm safe.
You don't speed?
A little bit, but not much. Can't parallel park. I can back in, parallel park.
Okay, that's just not you.
Like I'd rather someone
Okay.
break my arm. I'm scared. Oh.
Is that a joke?
Are they going to park? Oh my gosh.
Why did the guy get out and be like, excuse me?
They probably did.
Do you know what just happened there?
They probably did. Like just a casual bump. Like excuse me. Oh sorry. Like
Didn't
a
see
butt
you there.
tap. Like excuse me.
And I love how he just like, this person's too jerky. Like they're just like jerking, going
Yeah.
back, jerking into the parking. No.
It's like they've never just learned how to-
Literally, just like easy, you know?
All you gotta do is just tap it in. Just tap it in.
Oh, come on.
Oh yeah, because you're smart.
Oh!
That's great.
That's great.
Oh
Are you
my God,
crazy?
What an idiot. Do you not look both ways?
But they would have seen you had plenty of time to brake even by the time you
Literally.
saw.
Unless they were doing something on their phone. I can't see if they were, but maybe they were.
Bet they were.
Yeah. The person, are you serious?
Oh, that's great. Like, they were very calm. Annoyed, but calm.
Yeah. What the hell?
How is that?
How do you even get your cars in that position?
Did they did they do this together? Was this team effort? Like, I'll lift mine up and then I'll balance yours.
Yeah. You just slide in under, okay?
I don't understand. They drunk?
I have no
This
idea
can't
how
be
this
real.
is done.
I don't believe it.
Oh dear God.
Oh my God. They just hopped right out. You can see they opened the door and like, all right.
Wait, how did you get out? Did they fall into the water?
You have to.
No.
Unless you were
can't.
able to climb to the
Yeah.
hood and then the boat.
Yeah, that's what I would do. I don't know what you were trying to do here.
I'd probably just drown myself.
It's over.
I love the news lady's like, profile pic. Oh, that's nice.
This is so cute.
Okay, cute, but not, we need full attention when you're driving,
we do,
sir.
we do. Okay, but like,
Put the parrot on the seat.
they just want to talk. They
That's
just,
fair, put him on the mirror.
Put him on the
Anything.
Put him on the seat. Put a seatbelt on.
But like, I need your full attention.
Oh, can't you just put him on the wheel and have him there so you can be like, oh yes, what's up? And he was like, oh, you're right.
A little bit. Is that how they sound?
No.
Ma, this guy's shaving.
Oh my God. But this is the equivalent because sometimes you have to do your makeup in the car.
Not one driving.
Not while driving, only as a passenger.
Passenger.
Yeah.
But then it's awful because you're like,
Oh yeah. Oh my God. Mascara is the worst.
yes.
I'm like, just kill me
I
now.
just don't do it.
Just kill me now.
I'll just lick my eyelashes to make them look like they're... This is brutal, bro. Just don't even shave. Rock it. Rock the...
But also how gross because then all his hair is just falling into his like, on him, his like, inside his shirt. Like, come on now.
That's over a stairwell and a building, like a mall or something.
No, I think this is one of those like illusions or like you can kind of get it. It's like a picture op.
Are you sure? Because that's a firefighter. That is a firefighter, and there's no way he's a prop.
Can you imagine? Can you just get in? Do you have the hose with you?
I think this is real, Eamon.
Wait, how did you even crash it in the mall?
It's like the outside or something, like a complex.
How is it
but
stuck in midair?
It's not, it has the friction. It's probably, you know what I'm saying?
But wouldn't it
There's
go full like
friction.
this?
I don't know, the back's on something, on a ledge.
Oh, that's firefighter's holding up.
The
Get out now.
firefighter's there because this
Yeah.
guy has nowhere to go.
He's like, do I get out?
Is that hay?
That is hay.
Is that hay on a car? A van? A minivan? That's not legal.
Is it not?
No, you can only have a certain amount of like obstruction
Yeah.
above your car. Are
I
you
mean-
crazy? You can't see out any window. Not one window.
There's no visibility here.
None. He's winging the entire thing.
He's just trying his best. He's just relying on everyone else on the
Yes.
road. Like, you guys can see my situation. Just
I'm
get out of my
trusting
way.
you guys.
Yeah.
No way.
This is a perfect example of Jesus has actually taken the wheel.
Yes.
It's over.
Or a demon.
Yeah. I'm gonna kill you today. What she's doing?
Rice, or it's a full meal. It looks like rice to
Oh
me.
my God.
And she's on the phone.
Dude!
Give this what's her license plate? Give
What
her
does
a
she
ticket.
make? Oh my God,
She's
dude.
eating a plate of food and she's on the phone. Where are your hands?
How
what
do
are they
you,
doing?
Well, how do you even use the steering wheel? Like,
Her knees, guarantee.
her feet. Like,
She good on her knees though.
what those knees do?
knees do.
What those knees do?
Come on now.
Does he have a?
Come on now.
Oh.
He's chilling. He's treating this like a lazy boy.
But in his defense, look where he is. Like, worst comes to worst, he'll just fall into like the whatever that is.
From what I see, my car is directly next to him. So if he doesn't fall that way, he falls this way and I'm dead.
You would
No.
not die. Just like with my luck.
Crazy? I'm a terrible driver. Plus that,
It's
screwed.
over. It's over for you.
Alright guys, that is all we got. Bloopers are about to start right now. I was one of your hosts, Joss Bedard.
And I was your other host, Eamon Hassan, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye! Guys, before we get into it, I just have made a shocking revelation. It's not that shocking, but Joss's skin is really soft. Like, I know you guys can't feel it, but I can feel it, and I'm
told
happy
us?
for me.
Thanks guys. Moisturize every day. Sometimes twice a day. You're a
Do you want
murderer.
people to die?
You're a murderer.
Literally.
Carol Baskin. Quite dramatic.
Quite true. My parrot is a girl, but she always has men around her, so she has a really deep voice. It's really funny.
I love that. I love it.
I love it. Yeah. Probably late for a job interview. Damn it.
Wake up earlier. Amen.
No!
This is Amen every day.
This is me. This is literally me every day on the
brushing
way.
your teeth out the window.
Every day on the way to work, I am doing my makeup in the car.
Oh my god.
Mascara does not get easier, I'll tell you that much. It just doesn't.
I was like, don't take the pictures out.
I was like, what
Okay.
do you mean?
Oh, okay,
Oh,
bye.
come on now. Jocelyn Bedard.
Ew, full name me. It's insulting.
That's your name!
I don't like my name. I'm Joss.
Wait, what's your middle name?
I'm not telling you.
What does it begin with?
Ugly.
What does
J.
it begin?
Don't. Okay, it's ugly
Jasmine.
to me.
Is
No,
it
it's
Jas-
Jasmine.
What do you mean that's such a pretty middle
I
name?
think it's a pretty name. Like
Okay.
if I was Jasmine, it's beautiful, but
Yeah.
I don't like the combination of Jocelyn Jasmine.
Oh,
it rhymes.
okay.
It's weird.
It does not rhyme.
Jocelyn Jasmine. No. I don't know. It should have been something like random, like Jocelyn Ashley or something.